In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show low stock on your Shopify product page. This is a great way to add a little urgency for your customers and give them clear information about what's available without installing any extra apps. I'll walk you through everything step by step inside your Shopify admin so you can follow along on your own store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open your theme library where you can see all the themes connected to your store. At the very top, you'll see your current live theme. On the right side of that theme, click the button that lets you edit the theme. This will open the theme editor where we'll make all the changes. Inside the theme editor, look towards the top center of the page. You'll see a page selector that usually defaults to the home page. Click that drop down. From the list that appears, find the products section and then choose Default Product. This tells Shopify you want to edit the layout for your standard product page template. Once the default product page loads in the editor, look at the left-hand panel again. You'll see a section for your product information. This is where things like the title, price, and description usually appear. Next to that section title, there's a small right-pointing arrow. Click that arrow to expand the section and reveal all the blocks inside it. Now we're going to add the stock indicator. Under the list of existing blocks, click Add Block. A pop-up will appear with different block options. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Product Inventory. Once you find it, click it to add it to your product information section. You can now rearrange this inventory block by dragging and dropping it in the left panel. A good spot is near your variant selector or just above your buy buttons, so customers see it right before they purchase. Look at the preview on the right side. If the product is low on stock, you'll see an orange indicator showing how many units are left. If the product is out of stock, the indicator will turn gray and display out of stock. When there's plenty of inventory, the indicator will be green and say in stock. After you're happy with how everything looks and where it's placed, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your product pages will now clearly show low stock, in stock, and out of stock statuses to your customers.